guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. So if you'd like to see what I got, please keep on watching. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Em and this is ThatsLuxe. If you haven't subscribed yet and you'd love to do so, please click the red subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification so you can be notified of when I upload new videos. Guys, here I am again, back with another unboxing. I know, my videos have been like unboxings back to back, but after this one, I think I'm gonna stop doing unboxings for a while because I have nothing really on my radar so far. So let's go ahead and get started with what I got. So you guys, it comes in this ginormous Louis Vuitton bag. It's covering me. Hi guys. And the box is inside. So this is the box, you guys. It says Louis Vuitton. I tried to redo the ribbon, was not that successful with it. So let's go ahead and show you. So it comes with the Louis Vuitton ribbon and it comes in this box. This is what it looks like inside. So you guys, it comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and this is dun, 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 dun. Yes, boom. So this is the Louis Vuitton can bag, and this is in the monogram reverse. And this is what she looks like, you guys. Oh my gosh, she is such a beauty. And this is what she looks like in the back. And it does have the original monogram in the top. This is what the bottom looks like. She's so pretty. This bag was heavily influenced by Hey June. Hey babe, if you're watching this video, this is all you. Ever since I saw you post about this bag, I could not stop thinking about it. So let's see what's inside of the bag. So it does come with just one zipper all around for opening and closing, and this is what it looks like inside. This is the made in stamp, and this is made in Spain. Also comes with a detachable adjustable strap that is in the black leather. Also comes with the care card, and it comes with the lock and keys. So this is what the lock looks like, you guys. This is not like the typical lock that comes with the Louis Vuitton Speedies. It's actually a little bit more slender, and it also has like a different logo. And in the back it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, and it comes with the key. This is where you attach the lock right here. I'll just attach it for you guys. So this is what she looks like with a lock. Super adorable, right guys? Oh my gosh. And inside is like a felt tip, like that suede material. The only thing that I did notice about this bag is that the maiden stamp is not centered, or it's kind of crooked to the side, if you guys can see that. But I mean, I guess it's whatever, right? So that is it for my unboxing, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my very new addition to my handbag collection, and this is the Louis Vuitton can bag. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be posting another video all about this bag and also what fits inside, how to wear it, and what it looks like, and my first impression using this bag. And that's gonna be uploaded on Sunday, so keep watch for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this a thumbs up, and I shall see you on my next one. Thank you. Namaste. Bye.